How to change the weather forecast temperature unit on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Calendar app and click on this tree line icon and click on Settings. Now in Calendar Settings, scroll down, and you will see show weather forecast is here. Click on show weather forecast. So make sure turn on show weather forecast button. After turn on show weather forecast button, click on weather settings. After click on weather settings, you will see units is here. So if you want to change weather forecast unit, so you will change focus weather units from here. After change units, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change the weather forecast temperature unit on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.